In this video, I'm going to show you how to make America in Infinite Craft. Now to get started, go ahead and open Infinite Craft on your device. You can do this using an Android device with their mobile app and a browser. Now go ahead and drag a water element to your canvas and double click it. Now combine it to create a lake. Go ahead and add water to lake to create an ocean. Now add earth to ocean to create an island. After that, go ahead and double click the island and combine these two islands to create a continent. Now after that, go ahead and drag lake into your canvas and combine it with the continent to create the America element. And that is how you can simply make America on Infinite Craft. If there are other recipes that you want us to create, please don't forget to comment that down below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, and we'll see you in the next video.